Keep your wealth. Share the profits. In the post-World War II era, when some say America was great, under a Republican president, the United States had a tax rate of 91% on income over $200,000 a year, which is about $2 million today. That may seem crazy, but let's look at what happened. As wealthy people approached this level of income, they raised the salary of their employees rather than giving the money to the government. This in turn created a large, prosperous middle class. We need to bring this dynamic back. Let's call it the Share the Profits tax plan. We think this plan will get the nation back on track for all people. The government should not mandate profit sharing, but this tax system would make it a no-brainer for any person in business. Here's the simple Share the Profits tax plan. 1. Everyone will pay taxes. The minimum wage will be $15 an hour, and a 10% flat tax rate will be set for nearly all Americans. This will be a substantial reduction in the tax rate most Americans pay, but ultimately will increase the total tax collected as wages will rise dramatically and more people will be employed. 2. This 10% flat rate will hold true across all spectrums of American life, as the plan includes the complete elimination of all deductions. Our country will be able to afford a 10% flat tax thanks to the elimination of social engineering through taxes. People will go back to making personal decisions for better reasons than taxation outcomes. There will be no deductions for having children, no deductions for charitable contributions to churches and nonprofits, no deductions for interest payments, and no special interest carve-outs of any variety for any reason. The term tax deductible will disappear. Nonprofits will pay no taxes as long as they are truly nonprofit. 3. The 10% flat rate applies to all personal income, wages, capital gains, family estates and inheritance, real estate transactions, interest, rental income, etc. 10%, no more, no less. 4. Any income that surpasses 100 times the current average American household income will be taxed at 90%. About $5 million today, more generous than in the past. Anyone making 100 times the national average is well off enough. This 90% rate also applies to all income, wages, capital gains, family estates and inheritance, business perks, real estate transactions, interest, rental income, lottery winnings, etc. Once personal income of any combination passes the 100 times threshold, it will be taxed at 90%. No more, no less. 5. Calculations on income and tax obligations will be spread over a 10-year average. This will provide some relief for those households not generally over the threshold that come into moderate windfalls, such as from estate inheritances. 6. This is not a wealth tax. It is only an income tax. Portfolio, real estate, and business valuation increases will not be taxed until assets are liquidated into genuine income. Special interests own the people in Washington. If we want to return this country to greatness, we need to buy them back. Sad but true. We need 1 million American patriots to send $10 to the XMP to start this process of political change. Please go to thexmp.com and contribute. Time is short. Our nation's future is in the balance, and you can make things better.